Okay, there we are, trying to see if I have a tracking device. Here's the connector that they say they plug it into, and so this little wire here looks kind of weird. Let's see, I'm pulling back behind here. Yep, look at this. So there's an inline fuse, and this, tracing this up, oh, that's zip tied to something up there. And this is actually just, looks like it's screwed right on there, so that must be ground. And then this, tracing it up, yeah, I feel there's a black box up there. I don't think you can see it up there. Yeah, I can't show you, but I'm gonna pull that off. And yeah, that definitely should not be there. So I just tracked this up, and this was velcroed to the inside of my panel right here. This is up in there, so this is definitely a tracking device. It's got some velcro taped on there. Pull that up and see what that actually says on there. Yep, tracking device.